everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 4th to the 8th of May 2026 on Monday. Evelyn teams up with unscrupulous journalists to bring down Principal Mahongwa. Charles asserts his worth and insists on being fairly compensated for his work as an influencer on Tuesday. Evelyn sees the perfect moment that advances her vision board closer to reality. Mapitsi considers the idea of inviting Charles for a collaboration on her podcast on Wednesday. The walls begin to close in on Alfred when an unexpected visitor walks through his door. Mapitsi turns a moment of public humiliation into a strategic power play on Thursday. Just as Alfred thinks things couldn't get any worse, they do. While Mapitsi tried to save her brand, her husband's past is exposed in a shocking manner during a camera interview on Friday. Tension between two former friends reached a boiling point, nearly escalating into a physical altercation. Pretty receives a pleasant surprise from her family and friends. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.